When you arrange the spheres, you can see the gaps in between. It's a square close packing in two dimension. These gaps are said to be voids. See, as the volume of void increases, we will say that efficiency is less. Okay. If you arrange the same spheres in ABAB, it's AAA, no? If you arrange in ABAB, so that means in the gaps, grooves, I am arranging the spheres. These grooves I am arranging the spheres. Now here also you can observe the voids. This is one void, this is one void, this is one void. Okay. When you take this void, see, check the shape of the void. Okay, so you can see a triangle there, no? The same type of triangle in the same line you can observe. If you just to see the word near neighboring void, the triangle, the apex will be direct towards that side. It's another triangle. Okay, so I can arrange next a layer. I can place next a layer. So that I am getting a hexagonal two-dimensional close packing. You can observe the voids and its shape.